Hi, my name is Melissa Friedrich, and this is, my video for my visual representation. The characteristic that I chose to represent was appreciation of beauty and excellence. As you can see from the visual, mine pertains mostly to nature. That's kind of what I wanted to focus on when it comes to that characteristic. Okay. Question 1 was, what are your top 3 character strengths and the virtues to which they belong? And why did you choose these 3? So my top 3 were appreciation of beauty and excellence, transcendence, creativity or wisdom, and fairness and justice. I chose these 3 because they were the ones that honestly I had expected to see on there in the first place. And they are ones that definitely pertain to me. What are the positive correlates from each character strength that apply to you? So let me hop out of here real quick. So for the first one, appreciation of beauty and excellence, realizing that there's excellence, beauty, and skill performance in various domains of life. So I definitely pertain more to the nature and art and science rather than mathematics. I'm not much of a mathematics person, but as far as appreciating and noticing the beauty in nature and the world around me, I definitely connect with that. For creativity, realizing that there are different ways to do things, with the old school version of, work smarter, not harder, and definitely the artistic achievement. I'm a very artistic person, so it kind of fits. For fairness, treating people all the same. I definitely believe that it doesn't matter where you come from in life, or what your career is, what you look like. It's definitely, I'd like to give everybody a fair chance. For me, it's innocent until proven guilty, and then just kind of waiting to get to know people to make that judgment about their character. So let's go back over here. Are you surprised by any of these characteristics, or did you already know about these strengths? I wasn't surprised at all. They all absolutely made sense. Question 4, what is one way that you often use one of your character strengths? Definitely being a creative person. I paint, I draw, I cross-stitch, embroider, do everything, and I try to incorporate that with my children and teach them to have an appreciation for the arts itself. And question 5, how would you use one of your character strengths in a new way, possibly in your future career? I think anybody that's going into a career working with animals or working in nature conservation definitely has a sense of justice and what we feel that people need to be doing to help care for the earth itself. And I think that taking that ability, to have that strong essence of justice for the world around me, and doing my best to, help others and be an advocate, be an educator, be an ambassador for the animals around me, and helping others understand that we need to take care of nature. And there's a lot of changes that we need to make as humankind. So I think that's something that's a character strength that I would definitely take into my career with me.